Hi all, welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today's topic is atomic structure and electronic configuration. Today we are going to see in detail about atomic structure and how to draw the electronic configuration for the first 20 elements. Okay, everything in the universe is made up of atoms. Protons, electrons and neutrons, they are all called as subatomic particles. Protons are positively charged and protons are discovered by E. Rutherford. Then electrons. Electrons are negatively charged and electrons are discovered by J.J. Thomson. And neutrons. Neutrons, it has no charge, it is neutral and it is discovered by James Chadwick. Okay, I have given a crisp important information about the atomic structure. Please watch the video till the end to understand it properly. John Dalton discovered that all substances are made up of atoms. Next we will see about the postulates of Dalton's theory. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Atoms of similar elements are identical in mass, size and properties. Atoms of different elements show different properties. For example, atoms of similar elements in the sense if both the element are hydrogen and hydrogen, they both have similar properties. If there are different atoms, then it will have different properties. Okay. Next we go for the Bose model of an atom. In Bose model, in an atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a definite circular path called as orbits, or also it is called as shells. Each orbit has a fixed energy and these circular orbits are also known as orbital shells. For example, the first orbit here is K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. K is the lowest energy shell and the highest energy shell is N in this case. Inside the nucleus we have proton and neutron. Proton and neutron will be present inside the nucleus and electrons will be revolving in a circular path, and the circular path is called as orbit, or it is also called as shells. To find the maximum number of electrons in each shell, we can use the formula 2 into n square, where n is the number of the orbit. For example, the first orbit we call it as K shell. So n is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square is 2. So number of electrons, maximum number of electrons which can occupy in the K shell is only 2 electrons. Then for L shell, so it is in the second orbit or second shell. So for n we have to substitute 2. So 2 into 2 square is 2 into 4, 8. So a number of maximum electrons which can occupy L shell is 8. Okay, next we go for M shell. M shell is the third shell. So 2 into n square, for n we have to substitute 3. So 2 into 9 is 18. So maximum number of electrons which can occupy in M shell is only 18. For N shell, 2 into n square, we have to substitute 4 for n because it is a fourth orbit or fourth shell. So 2 into 16 is 32. So total number of electrons which can occupy in N shell is 32. Here I have given the details of the first 20 elements in a tabular column format. Let me explain it first. The first column is the element. Here I have given the first 20 elements, and second column is a symbol. For hydrogen, H, helium, H and small e. Like we write the symbol in the first letter to be a capital letter and followed by a small letter. Lithium caps L and small I. Beryllium caps B and small e. Like that. Okay. Third column is atomic number. It is usually denoted by capital Z. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So the atomic number and the number of protons will be the same. Even number of electrons will also be the same as the atomic number. So I have given the atomic number, number of protons and number of electrons in the same color. Okay. Next column is mass number. It is usually denoted by caps A. Mass number is nothing but the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Okay. Next column is number of neutrons. Number of neutrons usually denoted by capital N. There is a formula to find the neutron. Neutron is equal to A minus Z. A is nothing but mass number, Z is nothing but atomic number. When you subtract mass number minus atomic number, you will get the number of neutrons. Okay. Then number of protons, I said atomic number, and the protons and electron both are same. Then comes the shell, K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. Depends on the number of electrons in each element. The shell, number of electrons will be occupied in the respective shell. That I will explain when we draw the electronic configuration of each element. Okay. Now we are going to see how to draw the electronic configuration of each element. Okay, first we go with hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Usually we write the atomic number in the left corner of the symbol. I have written the symbol as capital H and the atomic number is 1. I have written it in the left corner. Okay. So since there is only one electron, number of protons will be 1 and neutrons will be 0. Okay. This is the nucleus. The black thing is the nucleus. So we should not draw anything here. And the red one is the first orbit. That is the K shell. First orbit of first shell, that is the K shell. So we have to first drop the electron in the K shell. Since only one electron is there, I am drawing only one electron here. So here number of proton is, I said number of protons, and the atomic number of protons and number of electrons will always be the same. So proton equal to 1, number of electron is 1 and proton both are same. Proton is equal to 1, electron equal to 1. So what is the electronic configuration? Since we have only one electron here in the first shell, so 1. Electronic configuration is only 1. Okay, next we go for helium. Helium atomic number is 2. So number of protons present is 2 and number of electrons is also 2. So I am drawing 2 electrons in the first shell, that is K shell. Okay, so electronic configuration will be only 2. Okay, next we go for the next element. Next element is lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. So we have to draw 3 electrons. As you all know, the first shell, the maximum number of electrons which can occupy in the K shell is only 2. So we have to, we need to draw 3 electrons. So I am moving to the next shell. There I am drawing 1 electron. Okay. So now K shell has 2 electrons. See, imagine this is the K shell, this is the L shell. Okay. K shell has 2 electrons. I have filled the maximum number of electrons in K shell, that is 2. In L shell, the maximum number of electrons I can fill is 8. So here only 3, total number of electron is 3. So I am filling 2 electron in K shell and 1 electron in L shell. Okay. Next we go for beryllium. Beryllium, atomic number of beryllium is 4. So total number of protons is 4 and electron is also 4. So first we have to fill the K shell. K shell, total number of electrons we can fill is 2 electrons. So 1, 2. So 2 more electrons are there. So that I am filling it in L shell. Okay, so number of electron which can occupy in K shell is 2 and L shell is 2. So electronic configuration is 2, 2. Okay, next element is boron. Atomic number for boron is 5. So total number of proton is 5 and our total number of electron is 5. So we need to fill 5 electrons. First shell 2 electrons and remaining 3 electrons in the L shell. Okay, K shell, total number of electron is 2 2 is already occupied, and so I am going to L shell. L shell I have given the next remaining 3 electrons. Okay. Next we'll see for carbon. Carbon total atomic number is 6, total number of proton is 6, and total number of electron is 6. So we need to fill the K shell 2 electrons and L shell 1, 2, 3 and 4. So totally 6 electrons are filled. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. That is K shell 2 electrons, L shell 4 electrons. Okay. Next we'll go for nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. So total number of proton is 7. Total number of electron is 7. First fill the K shell 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So K shell 2 electrons, L shell 7 electrons. So electronic configuration you can write 2, 5. That is enough. Okay. Now we see the oxygen. C for oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. So number of proton is 8. Electron is 8. So fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 in the K shell and 6 in the L shell. So you have to see the atomic number and then count the electrons. First fill the first orbit for 2 electrons. Then continue the counting and fill the rest of the electrons in the next shell. See to that you can fill only 8 electrons in L shell. That you have to remember. Okay. You have to fill only 8 electrons in the next shell. That you should remember and count the electrons and fill it. Next we go for fluorine. Atomic number is 9. So number of proton is 9. Electrons is 9. So start filling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 2 in the K shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the L shell. So our electronic configuration is 2, 7. Next we will see for neon. Neon total number of electron is 10. So start filling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 2, 8 is the electronic configuration for neon. Next we go for sodium. Okay. Sodium total number of electrons here is 11. Okay. So we have to fill 11 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because 8 electrons can be filled in the L shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have filled already 8. So 1 electron, 2 plus 8, 10. So 1 electron will be there remaining, that I will be filling it in the M shell. This is the K shell, this is L shell and this is M shell. Okay, I am filling it in the M shell. So electronic configuration will comes to 2, 8, 1. This 2 is in the first shell. How many electrons are there? 2. So the next shell 8 electrons are there. So 8, and the M shell there is only 1 electron. This is K shell, L shell, M shell. Okay. Next we will see for magnesium. Total number of electron is 12 in this case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 in the first shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the next shell. So total comes to 10 here. We have to draw 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. Now the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 2. That is K shell 2, L shell 8 and M shell 2. Next we see for aluminium. Aluminium atomic number is 13. So total number of electron is 13 and total number of proton is also 13. So start drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So electronic configuration is 2, 8, 3. That is K shell 2 electrons, L shell 8 electrons and M shell 3 electrons. Okay. Now we will see for silicon. Silicon total number of electron is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So totally 10 is over. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, electronic configuration for this is 2, 8, 4, K shell 2, L shell 8 and M shell 4. Okay, next let me see for phosphorus. Phosphorus, the atomic number for phosphorus is 15. The symbol for phosphorus is P. Okay, so number of electrons here is 15. So start filling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The remaining is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So electronic configuration is 2, 8, 5. There is K shell 2, L shell 8 and M shell is 5. Okay. Next we see for sulfur. Sulfur, the atomic number of sulfur is 16. So total number of electrons is also 16. Start filling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Remaining 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. That is K, L and M. M shell has 6 electrons. Now we go for chlorine. Chlorine, the atomic number is 17. So total number of electron is 17. Start filling. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Remaining 7 is there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay, so electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. Next for argon. Argon, it is symbol for argon is caps A and small r. Okay, so number of electrons we need to fill is 18. Start filling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The remaining 8 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the maximum number of electrons we can occupy in L and M shell is 8. Okay, so first K shell 2 electrons are filled. Total number of electrons we can fill is 2. And L shell total number of electrons we can fill is 8. That is also filled. So I went to next shell M shell. M shell also now it is filled, totally filled. Okay, so maximum number of electrons has been filled in M shell also. Now we'll see for potassium. What is a symbol for potassium? It is not caps P, it is K. Okay, so remember children, the symbol for potassium is K and not P. Don't confuse. Okay. So K, the atomic number is potassium, the atomic number is 19. So electron will be 19. Start filling. The first shell we can fill only 2 electrons. So 2, after that 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have filled 8. Again 8. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also I have filled 8 electrons. So 2, 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 electrons I have filled. So remaining 1 will be there that I am filling in which shell? K, L, M, N shell. This is N shell. Okay. So K shell, in K shell I have filled 2 electrons. L shell, that is blue one, and I have filled 8 electrons. And M shell, that is green, that also I have filled with 8 electrons. So all these 3 shells are completely filled. So I am going to the next shell, that is N shell. In N shell, the remaining 1 electron I have drawn here. Okay. So once the first shell fills, you have to move to the next shell. Once the next shell also getting filled, you have to move to the next shell. Okay, you should not jump directly to the last shell. From the lower energy level to the higher energy level, you keep on filling the electrons. Okay, now we'll see for calcium. Calcium symbol is cap C and small a, and the atomic number is 20. Okay, so number of electrons will also be 20. We'll start filling it. Okay, first 2 electrons in the first shell and 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So totally 2 plus 8, 10. And again 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 2, 8 and one more 8. So totally 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 has been filled. So remaining 19, 20. I am filling it in N shell. So in K shell there are 2 electrons, and L shell 8 electrons, M shell 8 electrons, and the remaining in the N shell, here it is 2. So remaining 2 electrons in the N shell. So totally it comes to, if you take it all, it comes to 20 electrons. So 20 electrons have been filled in K, L, M and N shell. So you should start filling from the lower energy level, from the K shell you should start filling the electrons, and you should move on to the next shell once it is getting fully occupied. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will answer in the following video. Thank you children. Thanks for watching.